Mega Genset Malaysia provides sales and rental of generators that produce electricity for homes and businesses. The company was established in 2014 and has more than 7 years of experience in the generators industry. The type of customers that Mega Genset serves include the home generator segment, construction site sector, factories, farms and server rooms. Mega Genset's mission is to be Malaysia's preferred sub-500 kVA generator supplier. They also have a research and development team that constantly improves its products over time. The flagship product of Mega Genset is the MGM Generator series. The generator sizes they provide are from 6 kVA to 500 kVA. These are specially designed generators by the team. The services which Mega Genset provide are sales and rental of generator sets. The gensets provided are suited for full use or backup use.
These are the company's milestones achieved since 2014. Mega Genset had enhanced the generators' quality and capability year by year to ensure they are the most advanced generators in Malaysia. Here are some of their past customers. They include public listed companies and SMEs. Many of our customers are satisfied with their excellent service and reliable generators.
Want to know more? Visit our website at www.genset.com.my or WhatsApp us for more information.